The Copernicus Marine Service offers free-of-charge ocean data and information that is sustained over time and user-driven. Whether you are a scientist, a maritime business, or curious citizen, you can find ocean data and knowledge to fit your needs. For this tutorial, let's go to the Ocean Products catalog. On the home page, our different products are presented in the form of cards, giving various information about each product, such as spatial and temporal resolution, variables, and more. By clicking on the card of a particular product, you will reach its information page. This product page includes 4 tabs: Information, Documentation, Services, and Notifications. In the tab Information, general details on the product are displayed. The product identifier, a short description of the product, references and different variables included, observation and/or models. Does the data come from a model or an observation? Product type. Does the product offer forecast or past data? The assimilated data. Spatial and temporal resolution, and many other information. In the second tab, Documentation, you will find the product documents in PDF format. There are 2 of them. Product User Manual, which gives, for example, information on datasets, file nomenclature. Quality Information Document, which proposes a qualitative analysis of the product. Open the relevant document by clicking on the corresponding icon. In the tab Services, you will find all the services offered for the product displayed for each dataset. CSW, Catalog Service for the Web, whose objective is to discover the Copernicus Marine Catalog, its products, datasets, and web services. WMS, Web Map Service, obtain georeferenced map images. Subs, Subsetter, retrieve a subset of gridded datasets through HTTP and HTTPS protocol. DGF, Direct Get File, retrieve data files by selecting a temporal coverage through HTTP and HTTPS protocol. FTP, File Transfer Protocol, retrieve datasets by selecting files in a directory. SOS, Sensor Observation Service, query instantaneous and temporal sensor data. OpenDAP, Open Source Project for a Network Data Access Protocol, retrieve remote, structured data. ERDAP, service available for accessing in situ observations. By clicking on the link icon, if available for the product, you can access the relevant service. In the 4th tab, Notifications, all the operational issues concerning specifically the product are listed: improvements, maintenance, and incidents. Clicking on the title of the issue, you will access more information. At the top right of the page, 4 options are available. Download product. To reach the product download page, define your request and download your data. View product. Visualize the product, create images, videos, make sections, and more. Add to bookmark. This product will be bookmarked. Share. Share product information in 3 formats: XML through CSW, Catalog Service for the Web, PDF, Permalink. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to check our Help Center or contact us through the chat, the Contact Us online form, or by email at the address servicedesk.cmems@mercator-ocean.eu.